Live in the studio for Slightly Odway, Bri Clark is here covering Birds of Tokyo's track Anchors.
We stayed afloat for just a while. We dared to swim alone. Dark water left you sinking hard to drown. I know it's much too late to try. You're never coming home. When the tide came in, you left without a sound. I never thought to hold you. I never thought that you might need an anchor. I never thought I'd lose you. I never thought that you might need an anchor. I've seen your face so many times. You stood in front of me. It was all so real, it's so hard to see. I'm chasing ghosts and alibis who speak so quietly. I can almost say, don't cry for me. I never thought I'd hold you. I never thought that you might need an anchor. I never thought I'd lose you. I never thought that you might need an anchor. Now this is all on me. Take my apology.